Good morning, students. Today we will take topic rationalization in chapter 1. It means that removing the radical sign from denominator of a fraction. Here we take some examples. First, rationalize 1 by root 2. Here we see that 2 is in radical sign in denominator. So how we will rationalize it? We will multiply numerator and denominator by the rationalization factor. If root 2 is multiplied with root 2, the radical sign will remove. So we will multiplying both sides by root 2. It will root 2 by 2. This is the answer. Here root 2 is called rationalization factor. Similarly here, what will be the rationalization factor? It is root 3. So multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3, it will 6 root 3, it is 3. 3 cancel with 6, left with 2 root 3. Answer. What will be the rationalization factor? Only the radical sign means root 3. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. It is 9 root 3. This is 2 into root 3 into root 3, 3. How it becomes 3? As 3 root 3 means 3 raised to the power half. Root 3 means 3 raised to the power half. On multiplying, the power will added 3 raised to the power half into 3 raised to the power half. Half plus half equal to 1. So 3 cancel with 9. 3 root 3 upon 2. This is the answer. What will be the rationalization factor? It is root 5. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. This is equal to 3 root 30. This is 2 into 5. So 3 root 30, 5 to the 10. These two numbers will not cancel out because this is in under radical sign. This is not in radical sign. Now take one more example. 7 root 6 upon root 3. So we will multiply with root 3. This is 7 under root 18 and this is 3. 7 under root 18 can be written as 3 into 2 upon 3. So it will be equal to 7 रूट 3 का पेयर हो गया तो ये बाहर आ जाएगा, अंदर रह जाएगा खाली रूट 2 अपॉन 3 कैंसिल विथ 3. तो दिस इज 7 रूट 2. टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. 1 upon root 3 minus 1. This time rationalization factor will be changed. When the form is a plus b or a minus b, we will take the opposite sign. This is a minus b, so we will multiply with a plus b both sides. Means numerator and denominator. Now root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. This becomes the identity a minus b, a plus b. So it will becomes a square minus b square. So root 3 plus 1, root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1. So root 3 plus 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Now we are taking two more examples. 1 upon root 6 plus root 2. So here the rationalization factor is opposite sign of root 6 plus root 2, that is root 6 minus root 2 upon root 6 minus root 2. This is root 6 minus root 2 becomes the identity a plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. Solve root 6 minus root 2. root 6 square is 6, root 2 square is 2. So it becomes root 6 minus root 2 upon 4. Take one more example. Root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. What will be the rationalization factor? Opposite sign of this. So it will be root 5 minus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. A minus b, it becomes a minus b whole square. दोनों एक जैसे हैं. इसकी पावर 1, इसकी पावर 1, जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो इसकी और इसकी दोनों की पावर मिलकर हो जाएगी 2. But this is the identity again, a plus b, a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square. Open this identity, a minus b whole square, so this is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This is a square is 5, root 3 square is 3. Root 5 square means 5. Root 3 square means 3. Root 5 square means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, it is 3. Minus 2. Root radical sign will multiply itself. 5 into 3, it is 15. 5 minus 3 is 2. Most of the students cancel 2 is with 2, but it is wrong. 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 2 root 15 upon 2. Now 2 can cancel with 2? No. To cancel with 8? No. What will we do? Take 2 as common from numerator. Left with 4 minus root 15 upon 2. So 2 cancel with 2. We left with 4 minus root 15. This is the answer.